everyone, my name is Debbie. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today I am going to show how I got my custom logo made and then had stickers made and mugs made. Started selling on eBay 20 years ago, and I just came up with a random username. I put in love to shop and that was already taken. So they generated love to shop 242 and I thought, that sounds good. So it has stuck with me for a long time. Got on YouTube also, and Love to Shop 242 was available. So that was also my username there. So I decided I needed a logo. I went to an app called Fiverr and I just did a search for someone to do custom artwork. After you download the app, you just go to the main page, and if you look at the very bottom, there is a magnifying glass. If you click on that, it will open a search field. I put in custom logo artwork, and then it pulls up a lot of different advertisements for this job. So I just scrolled through and looked at the examples and what I felt like I was looking for. I thought this one was really cute, so I selected it, and when you click on one and go into it, it will give you a general overview of what they provide, and then there are different price points. If you click on each of those, it will show what you will receive at each of those levels. Let's go ahead and search the person that I used because I was very happy with his work. So let's change it from gigs to sellers. His name is Venom Hunt, and you can see when we locate him that he has a very high rating and he has over 13,000 reviews. So that would give me a lot of confidence seeing something like that when I am selecting an artist to use. Then if you scroll down further, you can read reviews from actual customers and see the artwork that he created for each of them. So that's what sold me. I loved his artwork and I was just in awe of his talent. So he was a perfect fit for me to choose. So whether you choose him or someone else, be sure you look at the reviews and the actual artwork that the person does, because I think that makes a big difference in making sure that you are satisfied with the outcome. It was so inexpensive too. I can't believe what I got for the price. I think it was like $25. Plus I left a tip at the end because he did so amazing. This was the option that I selected. I paid the $25 and almost immediately I received a message from him and it said, "Hello, I'll need the following description from you. Number 1, name on the logo." I replied back, "Love to Shop 242." And I said, if you can incorporate my name, Debbie, in there also, that would be great. Number 2, tagline, if any. I said, I don't really have a tagline right now, so we'll just leave that off. Number 3, color preferences. I said I would love maybe some pinks and black in there. Number 4, idea of design. I said the example design that he had of the girl with the dogs, I really like that. Something like that that was similar to me, but instead of dogs with shopping bags. Number 5, business description. I said I was using this for eBay and for my YouTube channel. And number 6 was reference images or any other information. So I just attached this screenshot of some of my thumbnails and I provided a link to my YouTube channel and I asked him, maybe look at my YouTube channel and just make something that looks similar to me with like some shopping bags. And I thought he did such a great job. He sent a message back to me and attached this as the proof, and I said I loved it. So he sent the final image to me, which I was able to download and use to make stickers and mugs. I've used it as my logo on eBay, and I even put it in where I have a little clip where I ask people to subscribe to my YouTube channel in the middle of videos. So I have used it more ways than I even realized that I was going to. So I am very happy with it. It was very easy and so much less expensive than I would have ever imagined. This is another thing that I was able to use my logo for, and I use it in almost every video that I send out. Just a quick reminder, if you're new and not subscribed, I'd love to have you back. Just hit the subscribe button down below, and if you hit the notification bell, it will let you know when I release new videos. And while we're on the subject, I really would love to have you back. So if you're not subscribed, if you want to hit the subscribe button down below, that would be wonderful. And if you enjoy these types of videos and wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, I would appreciate it so much. Next, what I did was I went to uprinting.com and I sent them a picture of my logo. I'm going to go through the ordering process with you and show you the exact options that I chose to create my stickers and how much they cost. There are so many different options and different price levels. I went with the most reasonably priced stickers that I could find. So I will show you the choices that I made. If you go to the top left-hand corner, there is a menu. If you click on that, it will show you all the different options to choose from. I selected stickers and labels. Then I selected stickers, then custom stickers because I want to upload my logo. Then I selected sticker singles. Now it takes me to an area where there are lots of options. I ordered the 2x2 square rectangular stickers. You can really play around with all of the options, but if you do, be sure that you scroll down to the bottom of the page and pay attention to how each choice really affects the price of your stickers. One thing I noticed, if you change the handling time to a longer handling time, the price is reduced. When the printing time showed 1 business day, my total was $92.80. So that's 5 cents per sticker. When I changed it to 3 business days, it dropped over $30, all the way down to $61.80, which reduced it to 3 cents per sticker. So that was quite a difference. Then you click at the bottom where it says order now. This is where it prompts you to upload your photo. I clicked on upload from device and I chose from my photo library where I had my logo and I uploaded it. Then it gives you the option. They will send a proof to you. They go through and they look at the proof and you can make changes and you approve the artwork before they print the sticker. The first time I placed an order with them, I did choose to have them send the proof to me. They sent it within a couple hours. It looked perfect, so I approved it and they started processing the order right away. The other option is to just have them print it as soon as possible, and it says that they do have someone inspect it and they will contact you if they see a problem. Next, it shows the shipping. My shipping for 2,000 stickers was $22.11. So I went ahead and placed the order. And so what I got was a whole box of stickers. They're loose. They're 2" by 2". You just bend the back and they peel off. And then on my packages, I handwrite thank you across the top. I made my first order in December of 2021 for 1,000 stickers. I ran out, so I just ordered again and I thought, oh, this time I can track how long it takes and everything. So I decided not to make any changes. So I just reordered the same exact thing. I ordered it on June 12th, 2024. They shipped it out the very next day. It came DHL and it arrived Monday, June 17th, 2024. So just 5 days for arrival, which was faster than they said it would be. The stickers cost $61.80 for 2,000 of them. Last time I did 1,000. So I'm like, okay, I need to up my sales. Maybe I'll do 2,000 this time. Plus it was a better savings. And the shipping was $22.20, making it $87.32, which makes each sticker just 4.4 cents for customized stickers. Just to note, when I am showing the example of ordering it, the shipping was 9 cents different that day. So the numbers are just very slightly off from the actual order and the example order. And it arrived in this box. This is what 2,000 stickers looks like. At Christmas time, a couple years ago, I was making calendars on Snapfish and it popped up like $3.99 for a mug. So I thought, I'll try to make one of these on Snapfish. So I just put my little logo in and added 10 of these to my order. So I got 10 little mugs at $3.99 each. I think the shipping was like $5 each on all of them. So it ended up like $9 each for these. And when I had a Whatnot show, I gave these away with like a Starbucks gift card inside. So that was fun to have those. I ordered my mugs from Snapfish. Usually there is always a sale going on with Snapfish. So be sure you look at the top and get the discount code. I went to drinkware and then mugs. I just went with the basic mug, uploaded my logo, and it gives you a 360 view of the mug that you chose. I just went with the very basic. You can really play around with it and add a lot of extras if you want to, but that looked great to me, so I selected it. The total after the discount plus shipping ended up being $12.87 for one mug, but when I chose 10 mugs instead, it reduces the amount of shipping per mug, so it ended up being $79.97 for 10 mugs, which resulted in $7.99 per mug, which was much better. So I was really surprised how inexpensive it was to have a custom logo. And now I have it on my eBay store as my profile picture. And I think it's fun to put these on packages. Maybe it'll help someone to remember my store name and decide, oh, I want to go back and shop with them. I had a good shopping experience. And when I've sent things to YouTube viewers, I can put stickers inside with my logo just for fun. So if you're interested in getting your own custom logo, I had a great experience using the user Venom on Fiverr and then going to uprinting.com to print stickers, and then Snapfish did a great job on my mugs. So that is everything that I have for you. Every time I have a ship with me video, people always ask how I got my logo and how I made the stickers. So I thought that I would make this video so I can refer back to it. Thank you so much for watching, and everybody have a great day. Bye.